Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we will be talking about how you can do forget password in Crunchyroll. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So first of all you need to do is scroll through your homepage and tap open your Crunchyroll app. So once you open your Crunchyroll app, all you need to do is click on the login button. So now here you can simply tap on the forgot password option. Following this, you need to simply type in your email address and press on the send reset link. Now a reset link will be sent to your mail, so simply open your mail and tap open the reset password. Now all you need to do is press on the click here option, and once you click here you will be redirected to this kind of page where you will get the options to reset your password as you have forgotten it. Now simply type in your new password and retype your new password for confirmation. And once this is done, you need to simply scroll down and press on the reset password button. So after this, all you need to do is simply retype in your email address and press the new password of your account. And after filling in both the credentials, you will get successfully logged in into your account. So this is how you do the forgot password in the Crunchyroll app. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos.